Hello, teacher and classmates. My name is Fernanda Ambriz, and today I'm going to present my model learning outcome number 3. Well, first of all, the importance of going global. First, thanks to globalization, it's possible to benefit from increasingly vast markets around the world and to have a greater access to capital flows and technology, and also to benefit from cheaper imports and larger export markets. Globalization has developed economic freedom and supposedly has raised the standard of living for everyone, even if in relative terms the gap between rich and poor is widening. And the last one, the globalization opened the doors to free trade between nations, allowing greater and better access to markets that were previously closed. The benefit is immediately, not long term, and industries in developing countries take advantage of this above all. Okay, now pros of going global. It's a great way to improve your skills, build new partnerships, and create amazing opportunities as a citizen of the world. Then, specifically as a professional, global citizenship can benefit you as a personal and company branding to increase the growth and reach of your work and help you to connect with colleagues and build partnerships around the world. And the last one, you can also find global solutions to major social problems and develop a greater understanding of the world. Now, cons of going global. First, it tends to concentrate capital in certain social strata, increasing inequality and concentrating capital and power in a very small percentage of the population. Then, the increase in economic fight by companies. When international trade opens, companies seek new ways to make their production cheaper, leaving their countries of origin and looking for another nations to produce too much cheaper. And the last one is that finally, the last of the most important disadvantage of this globalization is that in many cases it causes the loss of sovereignty in many countries due to the international action. Okay, now the examples of going global. First, the online marketplaces like eBay and Amazon make it easy to buy products from companies or individuals on the other side of the planet. This is a clear example of going global. Then, many large restaurant chains such as McDonald's and Kentucky Fried Chicken operate in dozens of a lot of countries. Another example is Netflix that operates in more than a lot of countries and tailors its content offering to each individual market with subtitles and programming in local language. And the last one, the insanity recognizable Nike swoosh transcended cultures and language. Nike has built a partnership with athletes playing a variety of sports in many different countries and used that as a support to support its expansion around all the world. Okay, so here are some actions that people can do to become global. First, number one, discover a cause that interests you. Part of the reason companies embrace the idea of global citizenship is because it allows them and their employees to support a variety of issues, make an impact, and understand their larger role in the world. Another one is to be a social entrepreneur. Social entrepreneurship, developing innovating solutions to social problems, is one of the pillars of global citizenship. Then, number three, network on a global scale. It's about building relationships, striving for common goals, navigating conflict, understanding differences, being able to work with others, and occasionally putting yourself out there when others don't. And the last one, develop sustainable solutions. Global citizenship requires that people stay involved and committed to the long-term goals. That means that even if it takes years to build your organization, pass a law or raise the money you need to stand your ground. And in conclusion, I believe that this practice tends to favor small group of highly developed countries, which concentrate cutting-edge knowledge and production, apart from controlling international trade and finance, which is really important for us to start developing from our person towards others. Thanks for your attention.